Very good. A refraction of light. When the light passes from rarer to denser, and the surface is convex, this type. Okay? This side is the denser, that side is the rarer. Okay? You can't see it. Wait 1 minute. Okay? If the object is here, suppose the object is here, the incident ray in this direction, this surface is convex, so you draw the normal in that direction, and the refracted ray towards the normal, this. Okay, this is the I, this is the C. Am I clear? This angle is Payal, what is your problem? Yes, yes. I will try to help you to see it. Upper portion is not. Okay. Okay. So, yes, very good, very good. Oh. Okay. So you see here, this is the angle of incidence, that is the angle of refraction, this is the angle alpha you consider it, that angle is beta, that angle is gamma. So this is the P, that is the N, that is the Q. Okay, from your yesterday class, you check it. This is the U, that is the V, this is the R1. This side is the N2, that side is the N1. The formula will be N2 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R1. Okay. You check it for your yesterday class up to this portion. Next, if you consider it for the convex surface, that means this side is the denser, that side is the rarer. This is the N1 and that is the N2. Okay? If the image is real, so away from the normal, you consider this is the . This is the U, that is the V. Okay? If you consider it, that is the V, this is the U. Okay? Similarly, you note here, V means this is the V. Okay? That is the U, means this is the U. So, N2 by this U. N2 by U. N2 by V, N1 by U. N1 by U. N2 means here you consider that side is N2. N1 by, okay, N1 by V minus N2 by U, this side is N2, N1 minus N2 by R2, this is R2. If you join it and create the convex lens, how it is possible? It cannot be possible on the board because two diagrams are there. So I will try to avoid one diagram, means wrap the one diagram and again draw this convex lens. If you draw it, sir, you can help me. Just you try to see the lower part and just 1 minute, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. You check it. You combine it. This, that. Okay. This is the first surface. That is the second surface. This is the rearer. That is also the rearer. This is the denser. Okay, clear? So, you first consider this surface, incident is this, a refracted ray, you draw it, denser medium, this is the R1, C1, towards the normal, so it will be bent it. If you consider absence of the second surface, that time it will be met on that point, that is equal to I dash. But for that second surface, you draw the normal on it and a ray will be away from it. This is the final image. Okay, it is the object. Okay, so this is the U, that for the V dash, that for the V, that is R2 and this is R1. So you check here, the two formulas are here, N2 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R. But N1 means this, N1 by second surface, N1 by V, this is V, N2 by U, this is U, that is equal to N1 minus N2 by V. You consider here, compact it. You consider here this portion, N2 by V, N2 by V, V you consider here the V dash plus minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R1. Again, you check here this portion. N1 by V, this side, N1 by V, N1 by V, this side, N1 by V minus N2 by U. This side, this is the V dash. So, N2 by V minus, N1 by V minus N2 by V dash equal to N1 minus N2 by R2. You check it, you cancel it, and you see N1 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by common 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay. Next is N1 common. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. That is equal to 1 by V means 1 by F. N1 means N2 minus N1 by N1, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. After this, 1 by F equal to N2 by N1 means N. N1 by N1 means 1. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the Lenz-Makarer formula. It is the Lenz-Makarer formula. Lenz-Makarer formula. So, my dear student, you check it. Any doubt, any problem? You check it. Pyle and Srijita. You check it. This is the very important theorem for your syllabus. This is the very important theorem. You draw it one by one, then you combine it. And after it you write this formula, you cancel it and simplify it. Pyle and Srijita. Oh, only one students are present. So most probably Pyle is present. Pyle is present. So Pyle, Betty, any problem from your side? You draw the first diagram this and you prove it. Then you draw the second diagram this, you prove it. Lastly, you draw the Lenz diagram and you combine it. When you combine it, you sincere only this portion. The N2 by V dash and N2 by V dash cancel to each other, you remember it. You remember it, N2 by V dash and N2 by V dash both are cancelled to each other. The rest of the part will be this, and N2 minus N1 is common, and you see here N1 minus N2, so it will be minus common, so it will be minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So any question your side? Pyle or Srijita, anyone present in my class? So any question from your side? This is clear, it is clear, yes or no? Pyle, any problem, any doubt in this part? Yes, sir, clear. Thank you, Betty. So again I repeat it. You draw the first diagram and then you draw the second diagram. Today you try it. and after this you combine it and it will create a convex lens. You consider it, this side is the R1 and that side is the R2. So this surface is the first and that is the second. So when you draw it, you must be sincere about it. Okay, again I draw the lens diagram and the diagram for the image formation. You see it. You check it. Suppose you consider this is the lens. This is the first surface and that is the second surface. You check it. Okay. This is the, you consider here, this is the object. The image, the incident ray is this. Okay. This for the first surface. You draw the normal on that surface. Okay. This is the normal. So the refracted ray, because this is the denser, N2, N1, again N1. This is the denser. So ray towards the normal. So it will be slightly bent towards the normal. Bend it. Okay, not the parallel with the principal axis. In the absence of the second surface, the rays will meet on the principal axis. Suppose this point. In the absence of the second surface, the rays will meet on the principal axis, that is I dash. Due to the presence of the second surface, you draw the normal on that point. The normal is this. Okay. This is denser and that is rarer, so it will be away from the normal. The ray will be bent and away from the normal. That is the final image. That is the C1. This is the C2. My dear student, you check it. So this is the object distance, U. This is the image distance, V. That is the virtual object, that is the V dash. Okay. Clear? So this is the actual diagram. You say here, arrow sign, you must be sincere. This is the incident ray, refracted ray, again refracted ray. Those are the normal, so arrow sign is not there. Okay? And this is the virtual object. This image behaves like a object, that is the virtual object. So from the first surface, suppose you consider PQR, first surface. Okay? Suppose you consider this P and that is the Q and that is the R. For the first surface, the formula will be N2 by V dash minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R1. For the first refracting surface, PQR. And for the second refracting surface, PSR. PSR. This is the V dash. So we can write it here. This is the U, final image V. That is the N. This is the N1. N1 by V minus N2 by V dash equal to N1 minus N2 by R. Okay. Okay, clear, Pile. For the lens Macquarrie formula, you draw only this, not that. For your concept, you draw that portion. First is this surface, second is that surface, again you combine it. And combined result is that. So for this first refracting surface, for that second refracting surface is this. You join it, add it. You see this and that are cancelled to each other. You check here N1 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 into 1 by R1. This is N1 minus N2, the N2 minus N1 minus 1 by R2. Okay. That is equal to N1 common 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. You know it. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Okay. N1 divided by it. N2 by N1 minus N1 by N1 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So that is equal to 1 by F equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay. You check it. This is the formula for your question. Oof. My dear student, while you check it, clear? While again I draw the lens Macquarrie formula. So this is the question for your 2021, very important question. Okay. Thank you, Betty, thank you. So next derivation, you will try the derivation today. Lens formula, lens equation, not the lens Macquarrie formula. Lens formula, lens equation, you know it, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by U. From your class 10th. How can I derive it? Suppose you consider draw a convex lens. The object is here. The line is parallel, passing through the focus. Another line passes through the optical center and it will meet on a point that is the image. Suppose you consider this is the PQ object, small PQ is the image and this is the optical center. You draw the normal on it. Suppose you consider it two triangles PQO and OPQ triangle. Two triangles you consider it. You check here, two triangles are similar. So PQ by PQ equal to OP by OP. Okay? Again, this is a triangle AOF and triangle PQF. AO by OF equal to PQ by FP. You check it. Two triangles are similar. PQ by PQ equal to OP by OP, and OA by OF equal to PQ by FB. FV. This and that are equal. Okay? So you can write this and that are equal. You can write it also OP by OP equal to PF by PQ by AB by PQ equal to OF by FQ. OF by FP. OP equal to U. OP equal to V. OF equal to F. PF equal to V minus F. So you cross multiply it. Minus UV plus UF equal to VF. UF minus VF equal to UV. UVF divide it. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So you check it. This is the formula. This is the formula for 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So while you try to clear it with the pen and paper again and again. This is the very scoring part, scoring chapter. You will try to clear it. Any problem, you will come through the chat. Any problem, sir, this is my problem. This diagram is not clear. I will try to clear you. So up to this portion, any doubt, any problem? Next day see you again. Next day see you again. So my dear student, you will be try to clear it with the help of pen and paper. Pen and paper, not the Bengali or the Hindi subject. You try to always clear with the help of pen and paper, not the literature. Because you are a science student. Any queries? Thank you. Thank you, Payal. See you again next day. Thank you.